Hi guys, driving on a light bulb, that's a critical fuel level, is in the order of things of many motorists. Basically, there's the experienced people. They are aware that a car can drive another 50-60 kilometers. This is the average fuel reserve for a car. In modern car, its exact fuel balance is usually displayed in the reading of the onboard computer. If your car does not have such an option, you can simply define it. As a rule, the level of the reserve stock in 10-15% of the total volume of the gas tank. Knowing the exact amount of the reserve fuel tank, as well as your average fuel consumption over the last 30-50 kilometers, you can find out exactly how much you can drive the car after the fuel sensor has reported a critical fuel level. The volume of the gas tank is 60 liters. The reserve fuel volume is 10%. From fuel tank 6 liters. Average fuel consumption 8.1 on 100 km means drive from the moment of warning of the warning lamp on the dashboard lamp is on approximately another 75 kilometers. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, in this video I want to show how we can remove this panel and change light bulb. As you can see, all the lights are lit. In addition to this, it we will replace. We need to pull this panel. Here we have a space for light bulb. Insert this lamp in there. And it will shining. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, if the fuel datching does not work and it's not clear how many liters of fuel are left in the tank, how much fuel can run on the remaining fuel, and how to determine the amount of the fuel consumed per 100 kilometers. This can be easily determined by filling the fuel tank up to the filler neck. Further, drive 100 km on this fuel and then refill the fuel up to the neck. This difference will be level of the fuel consumption indicator. The drives who determines the fuel consumption fill in 10 liters and drive until the car comes to the completely stop. Since there is a canister in the track, but there are cars that have a fuel pump in the tank, and lack of fuel can damage the pump. That's all. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, in this video I want to show how I clean my car's front console. For this I use this kind of racks, and I brought in a store this spray, especially for this work. We spray the front console and clean the rack. Clean all passable place. After this procedure, the machine all shine and there is a good aroma. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like.